Imagine floating thousands of kilometers above Earth, surrounded not just by the serene expanse of space, but by a cloud of swirling space debris. This was the scene for Chinese astronauts Ye Guangfu and Li Cong on July 3rd, as they embarked on a historic mission to clear space junk from around the Tiangong Space Station. Early that morning, Ye Guangfu and Li Cong of the Shenzhou 18 mission geared up for a mission unlike any other. The infinite void awaited them, filled not only with stars, but also with fragments of defunct satellites and old rocket parts, leftovers from humanity's ventures into space. Their task was clear: protect Tiangong from the hazards posed by this floating debris. Stepping into the vacuum, Ye Guangfu and Li Cong began their 6.5-hour spacewalk. Their mission was to install specialized debris shields around Tiangong's exterior. Using the station's robotic arm, they skillfully maneuvered large panels designed to deflect or absorb impacts from small pieces of space junk. Each panel secured brought a little more safety to Tiangong and to future space missions. These shields are part of a new generation of space debris protection, aiming to prevent even the smallest fragments from causing damage. The duo navigated meticulously around the station, ensuring every vulnerable spot was covered. Inside the station, Li Guangfu coordinated the efforts, expertly operating the robotic arm. The teamwork was flawless. Ye and Li Cong communicated constantly, adjusting their positions and ensuring each panel was perfectly placed. The stakes were high, but the reward was greater. Reducing the risks posed by space debris to Tiangong, and by extension, all space missions, was not just a technical triumph, but a crucial step towards sustainable space exploration. In the end, Ye Guangfu and Li Cong completed their mission and returned to Tiangong. They carried the pride of having safeguarded the station against the dangers of space debris, paving the way for a safer future. This spacewalk was not merely a cleanup mission, but a vivid testament to humanity's commitment to a safe and sustainable future in space. With their courage and determination, Ye Guangfu and Li Cong made Tiangong and humanity's presence in the cosmos a bit more secure. These brave steps they are taking today will shape the future,